You ready for a reveal moment? Oh! Good evening, if it's the evening, and if it's not the evening, oh well, good evening. One of those videos where I'm actually speaking. I feel like I haven't done many of those lately. It's been a lot of quiet videos, I think. They're just easier for me to do because I'm usually not alone in the room, and it's just easier for me to just be like, gonna just film myself getting ready, but I've got the night to myself, so I'm gonna get ready. Yeah, I'm getting ready for work. It's bank holiday weekend, so... And I just worked Thursday and Friday, feeling a bit burnt out. So today's look, I actually don't know what today's look is going to be, but it's going to be very like lazy, lazy but pretty, but then creative. Life updates with me. Got my nails done, which are very cute. They wear like a marble thing. I didn't like that, so I wanted the nude, and then my nude polish ran out, so it's a bit clumpy and nude, but it's nice having nails. And then literally, in the last hour, I just broke these two off. Was it these two? I don't know. Broke two off, and I broke my thumb off like yesterday, and I broke this one off yesterday. It means I can use my phone, and I can use this hand, so I don't mind just having this hand be the hand that is like, you know, the pretty hand. This finger right now genuinely feels like I've trapped it in a door, because you know when you have nails on, you take it off, it really hurts. Yeah, I'm in a lot of pain right now, and anytime I brush my hair, the nails get caught in my hair, so that's not a load of fun either. I'm gonna start off with primer. So what I'm thinking of doing is this look. It's going to be like a kind of pretty look, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a face mask. That's kind of a look. Can't decide if I should get rid of my eyebrows or not, so I will. Really high eyebrows. I wanted to look like angry and very like, you know, like a Vulcan with just like really angry comic eyebrows. So I did it, and I ended up just not looking angry, but my eyebrows were really high, and I really liked it. So I've been doing that lately, so I'm gonna keep on doing that lately. Okay, I'm gonna glue these eyebrows down, and then I'll be right back. Kind of messy, but I mean it'll do. No one really cares. I don't care. This is an exciting moment, by the way. It's time to open a new Krylon paint stick. Yeah. Whoa. I've had this since maybe 2015. That's a long time. No way. Could it be 2015? Might be. Jeez. I don't know. So much. I'm gonna just throw this over the brow cover now. Oh, the clean paint stick. I just wanna... Crazy, because I bought this in the white at the same time, and I opened the white one like a couple days ago. It's just weird how they like run out at the same time, even though like I thought I used the white a lot less than this, because I use this one as like a daily concealer. Yeah, so I'm thinking of doing like a face mask look, like a sheet mask kind of thing. So it's gonna be like blue here. Okay, so there's eye cutout holes, and they usually go around your eye and the eyebrow. But I want my eyebrows to come all the way up here, and I can't just have a hole like that. That would be fierce though, but then it might not look like a mask. Can I do eyebrows on top of the mask? Probably not, that would look stupid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just lay down some of the paint stick just over my face kind of loosely, and then blend it away. And then the 1W can just go around those. So I'm thinking of wearing like this like robe thing, but then underneath it wearing like sexy lingerie, because then I can take it off and be like, reveal. And like lingerie kind of goes with the whole like makeup mask, bedtime, bedroom theme vibe concept, doesn't it? Maybe. I just don't know. I also don't know what hair I'm gonna do. I want to do yellow hair because I just feel like yellow and the blue mask could really go together. But I wore yellow hair not that long ago. Not that anyone cares. And I didn't get to make a YouTube video of it, but I did this look where I had eyes here and eyes here, and it went really well. Pictures here. There you go. Isn't it good? The one time I wasn't making a video for the channel. A really quick bit on like the perimeter of my face, like just, you know, just in case it does show. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's do the eyes. Let's just get them over with. They just look really like red and dark compared to the rest of my face. So if I put like a primer on, it might make everything just look more as one. And then I can start to visualize what on earth is going on. Let's zoom in, because we're real professional like that. Thinking of doing pink eyes, because I always do pink eyes. I've got this brush that has some red on it, so I'm just gonna draw on where I want like a crease to be, like there. Yeah, crease is there, so the line is probably gonna be like, I don't know, like there. Look how rough this is, but it's gonna look great. It's a lot of red around the eyes because, you know, she's sleepy. Or could I do orange? I've got orange. Let's see, how does that look? Just dotted around. Also, yeah, I haven't set the face with powder because I feel like the creams is just going to help everything stick to everything nicely, yeah. I might put a little bit though over the brow cover because she's disturbed. So it's currently got blue on it, so I'm just going to mix that in with the pink, and then I might end up with like some sort of purple situation on my eyes. Yeah, blend the purple out with pink. Oh, that brow cover is dodgy. That is, suspicious. Awful. Bad. Let's just take a lot of colour up there to kind of distract from the texture of our badly glued down eyebrows. What's an MlLF? Eyebrows? Never heard of them. There we go. Hey, that looks awful. Because we like having a pink bottom, don't we, ladies? Don't my eyes look big? Haven't I got big eyes? Especially from the side, it's just like, oh. And now to blend all that out with, let's use this. Pull the pink out. It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Don't embarrass me like this. And you see how all that plotting and pinking and stuff we were doing is all now blended into just absolute gorgeousness. You see? And to cut the crease a bit. And even though the eyeliner's probably gonna be going here, I'm gonna fill it in white anyway. Whoa! And lately I don't mind having like a white lid or like a white like silver lid, but I think I'm gonna put some colour on it today. I'm thinking yellow. This is my favourite yellow eyeshadow. It's the Body Shop yellow because it's very yellow. Mainly focusing it on like where I know for sure the eyeliner isn't gonna be. Getting yellow eyeshadow all over my microphone. Can you hear it? Listen. That's what yellow sounds like. There you go. You're welcome. I look like something that's yellow and purple. I look like, I don't know, like Cadbury's, like a twirl or a flake. And draw liner on. So, bring in the inner corner, as usual. Ew, why does it look so gross and bumpy? Maybe it's like how it works on top of eyeshadow, but ew. And then a fat wing, but not too much because I have also got to draw on a mask. It's like that. But you know, I see a lot of queens these days not even doing eyeliner. Like, they just do like a halo eye or like a crease and then just big lashes. And I'm like, I need to try that. How do you know where my eyes are going to be if you can't see this big black line? It's a bit of a sad wing, isn't it? And then some bottom flick. And then I'm going to just do this on this eye. I know. So I'm just drawing on a little bit of black in the crease to just, I mean, I don't really know, just add emphasis, I guess. Just make it look more there, you know. Yeah, just, you know, open those eyes out. Go underneath. Oh, I think I got some white in my eye because everything's gone like it's got a white wash on it. It's like I've just upped the exposure on my eyes. Everything's so bright now. I love that. We can have a bit of blue on the bottom, can't we? And then I'm going to take a liquid liner, which is even sharper than the felt tip I used. Really sharpen it and blacken it. Make it all blacker. Oh, hate that. That's the worst. I'm going to take like this orange and see if I can blend that into something salvageable. Nope. Even though white and black together kind of makes like a weird blue. Okay, time for the blue part, I think. So I'm gonna take some blue face paint. I got no eyebrows, so that's fun. That's always fun. And yeah, See what happens. I don't want to look like I'm trying to have a blue face. I definitely want it to look like a mask. I'm just going to very quickly suggest some, like... Okay. That's how I know where my lips are going to be. That pencil needed sharpening. That felt horrible. Oh, it's such a dark blue. Because I don't like to have makeup on the bottom of my nose anyway, because I wipe my nose a lot. Again. I want to suggest, like, the bone structure I try to give myself with my drag makeup. Something very that. Okay. Oh my god, it looks like a beard. I need to do the rest of this face really quick. I really want to try and echo the shape that I've given myself with my eyes. So, part of me really wants to be like extra and like highlight and contour like on top. I won't do that. And the forehead, I'm not going to paint that high up because I don't want to stain the lace of the wig that I'll be wearing. Okay, and I think that's the mask, like, done. I really just don't want it to look like I've tried to paint my face blue and then just got lazy with everywhere else. Does it look like a mask? Does it look like a face mask? Maybe it will when I've got, like, lips on. I feel like right now it looks more like I'm a Mexican wrestler, which is a look, honestly. I'm going to let it dry, see where's patchy, and I've got the time to, you know, fix it. Okay. I'm thinking pink. Wow, I just did all of that completely not in the view of the camera. My bad. It's weird how the sharpener stops it from feeling sharp. God, I'm talking like a fucking... Pink with a brown liner. Hopefully it'll just look like a dark pink maybe when it's all mixed together. Oh, that's a vibrant pink. Oh, I love the smell of this lipstick. This smells just like when I started getting good at drag, maybe? I don't know. Sounds like good times. I used this on my eyes once. There we go. So I'm really thinking of drawing some eyebrows on. Just like some black eyebrows, just woo, woo. I shouldn't. Because you don't get eyebrows on face masks, but I just really want to give myself some eyebrows, and I can't help it. God, that's like a divine eyebrow. I did not mean to do that, but whatever. Liquid eyeliner just does not behave like a pencil. Probably one of the most shocking revelations of the decade. Someone just sent a bunch of stuff out on eBay. See the eyebrows on top of the blue? It just kind of looks like I've tried to do blue skin. I knew I should have just left it. I should have. Just waiting for this to dry. So I think that's basically most of the makeup done. I'm gonna maybe add some glitter, maybe some highlighter, some lashes. Tap that on here. Blend it away, and hopefully this won't be a mistake. I like that. That's a cute touch. Oh. So I'm gonna, you know, lashes, wig, and all that jazz. So I'll be right back. Unless I think there's something else worth filming. Okay, and I'm back. I still haven't put my lashes on. Should I do that now? I can't really be bothered. Because I'm so hot. But then, you ready for a reveal moment? Oh! That's right! I'm gonna put the wig on like properly, pin it in, all that, and then put some lashes on. Honestly, I think I'm done for this video, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all my future videos. I don't always paint myself blue, but when I do, it's a fun time. Alright, okay, cool. Thank you for watching. Check out all the videos, subscribe for future videos. I upload pretty regularly now, at least once a week, sometimes twice. Give me suggestions for future videos you'd like to... Ew, gross. See? And I think that's all, you know, all the usual YouTube spiel. Alright, cool. Thanks again. Goodbye.